Hello everyone, here we are on a Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2020. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we're taking a flight around the house on Clearview Road again. And there's some more work being done on the roof up there. Looks like they have the tar paper over the whole thing. The weather today is a little breezy and a little chilly. Temperatures are in the mid-30s. Wind chill has it in the low 30s. But it's nice and sunny as you can see in the video. And it's a nice day for drone flying. And the usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link to get you back to the previous video to compare any changes that were made. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.